Very welcome to this review, friends. I'm Soft Reason. In this review, we will be looking at pile foundation analysis and design explanations in respect to story buildings with earthquake applications. Alright, so this structure has been designed successfully, analyzed and designed successfully, and so the design of pile foundation consists of various principles. So you must first of all understand the principle in the design of pile foundation, so you can be able to apply it in Protastructure to carry out your pile foundation design successfully. But before a pile foundation design is being carried out, you have to reference the geotechnical report, which is the soil test and the pile depth depending on the various soil layouts, and the anchorage of the pile depth, which is, if you come over here where you have the pile property dialog here, you see the pile length is 70 meter, which is 70,000 millimeter right there. Okay, and then the pile that has passed the design is the circular pile of diameter 450 millimeters right there. Okay, so the compressions is also here. So this is a kind of a review, and we'll also look at the drawings of these piles and as well as the report how it's been presented. So pile foundation design does not actually analysis and design does not actually carry out in the modeling aspect of Protastructure, but after you must have done with the analysis and design here, you move the report to the Prota detail, where you now have to design the pile depending on the soil structures and the layers. As the same time, you have to reference the geotechnical report so as to carry out every designs of the pile successfully and accurately. And so right away, let us look at the drawing of this pile. I will click on OK to close this right there. Let's cancel that. Okay, and then we will minimize this, and then here is the drawing of this pile, right? Okay, so this is the general arrangement of the pile layout, okay, for the 8 floors, just like this. Mind you, this pile, this structure is being built in an earthquake fault line. So an earthquake is being loading is being applied to the structure successfully. So what you see is the pile layout, and this is the pile pack marks, and as well as the G beam. All right, so if I come over here, you see the drawings of this pile. Okay, the pile cap drawings is being done like this. Okay, and the cherry bars. All right, so this is the best way to present the pile cap drawings. This is the plan of it, and then this one is the elevations of it. Okay, so it all depends on the sizes of the pile. Okay, so that's why you're seeing it just like this. And for over here, you have the pile type. Okay, so this is the pile itself, and its sections of it is just like this. Okay, you have T10 spiral at 150, which is the stirrup or the shear reinforcement. Okay, and then you see the diameter here, it's been given as 600. So the drawing system of pile foundations is just what you see here, like the standard of it. Okay, so here is the reinforced concrete columns resting on the pile cap, just like this in the presentation. Okay, so you can see the reinforcement generated in this reinforced concrete columns. This is because of the earthquake load applied to this structure. Okay, so here you have the split beam. The split beam connects the pile cap together at the foundation level, chain it together at the foundation level. It is called the grade beam. All right, so if you check very well here, you will see the grade beam, which is the G beam you've seen there, this one, and the sections is 400 by 750. This also have principle that is related to the pile, and this will be explained fully maybe in the organized lesson that we will take subsequently. And so this is the reinforcement of the split beam as well. So this is just how the drawings of our pile foundations is being presented. I hope to add this drawing. We hope to add this drawing to the Protect Company template, so that it can be a reference drawing as well that we can use to edit our subsequent pile drawing that we may have. And so let's take a view of the pile report. So here is at first a pile report information table where you have the intended use of the structure is for commercial use. But for this phase is for the 5 floors. So the relevant building code used in that design is the Euro code 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so the design stress. All right. Also the pile length, the concrete cover, and as well as the service load, the ultimate compressing load. All right. So all of this information is needed here successfully before we now have to move to the main pile itself. And then here is the report of the pile. Okay. So when I'm talking about the soil material and the soil profile, so this is what I meant. You can see from the top right there, we have the brown city ground, gravel with sand. Okay, so it depends on the level of the strata and the soil layers until when the geotechnical informations have taken its test up to the consolidated, anchorage positions of the soil in the earth. It will now stop it and then mark the length of that particular, depth. All right, in the proposed construction site. So all of this have to be taken into an account during the design of the pile foundations in Protastructure and as well in Prota detail. So this is how the soil profile looks. All right. So more information on the soil profile, you see it over here. All right. So all of these are the the pile report which has been designed successfully. So this is how the report actually looks. So I will be going back to the AutoCAD. If you want to get the drawings of this pile, it will be added to the project complete template, so you can be able to see it right there. So when it's added, it will let us know successfully. So this is a brief just a brief explanations on how to go about pile designs successfully. So we have to stop here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's anything you don't understand or there's any questions, you can drop it at the comment section. If you also want to join our mentorship program, which is ongoing, a personal training on the use of these softwares, you can indicate that. There will be a link in the description of this video where you can be able to apply for that successfully. Thank you very much for staying through this short review. See you in the next presentations. I'm Soft Reason. Bye for now.